Charlotte. Charlotte. Hello. Hello. She said it a minute ago. Hello. 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 Boo. Hello.
Are y'all going to the World Series?
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Oh my gosh. What game are y'all going to?
4 and 5. So we have the potential of watching them in the World Series at home. And being there. Thought about taking Charlotte. Huh? No, I was actually out of commission last night because when we were walking up to the
Hello.
Hey, Olivia.
Hello. Hello.
We were walking up to the ballpark and super excited and everything, and something flew into my eye, and it hurt really, really bad. But I thought, it'll come out in time. Meanwhile, 9 innings later, it was still there, and I had tried to get it out so much that my eye was beyond irritated. And
pull up your sock.
They won and everything, and it was super exciting. And then almost immediately, as soon as the game was over, I guess the adrenaline started, the excitement started.
There you go. Hello.
I don't know. Reality started kicking in again, and I was like, oh my God, we gotta go. And we waited until they gave Nolan Ryan and Ron Washington the trophy.